Whitney, truth or dare? Okay, did you really start the fight with your sister, or did she start it? For real, for real, for real. We're not gonna talk about that.
Amber Heard's lies revealed she has been mistreating her sister. Amber Heard made a huge mistake by lying in court. Amber threw Johnny under the bus, saying that he hit her sister when in reality it was her who hit Whitney. The story that she testified under oath has been proven wrong from all angles. She's just blaming everything on her ex-husband at this point. The Aquaman actress was so proud of what she said that she dragged Kate Moss' name in the trial.
And Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait for any other, I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just in my head instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
While she was on the stand, Amber dramatically shared with us the first time she hit Johnny Depp because, to her defense, she was just protecting her sister, Whitney Henriquez. She reveals that she did this in 2015 because she was truly afraid for her sister's safety. The fight supposedly took place in their Los Angeles penthouse after she accused him of cheating on her with a woman that he dated years earlier. Well, that doesn't make sense at all. As shared by the actress, Johnny was in an on and off again relationship before they got married, but she saw evidence that he went and met up with her after the wedding.
He had had a relationship with, on and off, kind of at the beginning of our relationship, so I recognized the name, but the date was right after the wedding. I saw it. He had gone to her house after we got married, like upon touching down in Los Angeles. I think it was the next day he went to this woman's house.
She saw all of this on his iPad and freaked out. Anyway, Amber said that when she confronted Johnny about it, he got automatically furious and she didn't care at that moment if he killed her.
Confronted him about it. I was, I didn't care in that moment if he did kill me, which is likely in confronting him at that stage of our lives.
As the story sounds more dramatic, Whitney was suddenly part of the conversation. Amber was just yelling and yelling at Johnny because she really thought he cheated on her right after their wedding.
And I just remember being so mad at him for cheating on me and doing so in this way, like right after the wedding, and then right after my wedding.
Until she decided to go to their other penthouse where her sister was visiting.
Anyway, I break out of his grasp at some point, and I go into my sister's room. The apartments in the ECB are connecting, at least 3 of them are, and they connect from upstairs only. So you could get from Johnny and I's apartment into the neighboring apartment where Whitney, my sister, was staying at the time.
This is the point where everything went crashing down. As narrated by Amber, Johnny creepily followed her in there, and Whitney was now part of the fight. The actress woke her sister up crying because she was so scared of Johnny.
Johnny comes into penthouse 4 and grabs me. I don't know I don't know what he was doing, but at one moment I'm aware that my sister's somewhere nearby, and I thought about that. I just remember thinking about that, and he...
Apparently, Johnny would always do this at that point of their relationship.
Stage in our relationship, he would just throw me, shove me, hit me in the face. I mean, it was just like, all I could do is just try to fight back or try to not get more hurt.
He even threw a Red Bull at her during this fight, which she can't quite recall if it hit the nurse who was with her or just narrowly missed her.
He threw the Red Bull can up at me, certainly, but it kind of either hit or narrowly missed Debbie.
Amber Heard couldn't remember those details, but she can vividly describe to us what happened seconds after. Her testimonies aren't adding up that well.
I don't know what else I said, but I was screaming at him because he threw this can at me and everything else that had happened. And when I did that, he bolted up the stairs.
Amber reiterated that she was worried her sister might fall down the stairs where they were all fighting. So she leapt into action when he allegedly took a swing at her.
Kind of break away Whitney, my sister, all of a sudden put herself in between Johnny and I. She just threw herself like in the line of fire or whatever. She just all of a sudden was there and was trying to get Johnny to stop.
She recalls that she remembered what happened to Kate Moss and Johnny, where Kate reportedly fell off the stairs after a fight.
See my little sister with her back on her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait for any other, I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just in my head instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
So she didn't think twice and fought back. The funny thing is, the Kate Moss story isn't true at all. In fact, he and Johnny still have a good relationship decades after breaking up. In the background of Amber's statement, Johnny's lawyers can be seen celebrating
Of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
because this is something they could totally use against her to win the trial. After all that fiasco, the actress was quick to follow up that Johnny did not push Whitney down the stairs.
He didn't push my sister down the stairs.
We're wondering what the point of that statement is. She also mentions that she would always fight back when Johnny would physically abuse her, but 0 hits would land.
To date with Johnny, I hadn't landed a blow. And I, for the first time, hit him. Like, actually hit him. Square in the face.
Evidence says otherwise, as Johnny is always bloodied and bruised. Amber was even caught on tape admitting that she hit Johnny several times.
I didn't punch you, by the way. I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched.
The actress was very honest in saying she was hitting Johnny and not punching him. To be fair, there is also no proof that can tell us whether this fight between the celebrity couple and Whitney took place. No photos, videos, recordings, none until now. The truth is finally revealing itself, all thanks to their friends. Jennifer Howell, Whitney's friend, testified that Amber nearly pushed Whitney down the stairs. It was not Johnny. Whitney described the exact same thing Amber said in court, except the part where the actress hit her. She went to her friend's house after the predicament and told her everything. Jennifer even added that Amber has been abusing her own sister all her life. This isn't the first time we're hearing this, as Amber's ex-assistant, Kate James, also pointed this out during the Sun trial. She said that Amber abused her own family, treated her sister like a dog you kicked, and left her own mother terrified with her behavior. Johnny Depp's team had this in the bag. They further presented evidence in court where you can see a video footage of Whitney and her friends talking about Amber being abusive.
You do it.
I don't want to be killed.
Did you get in a fight or something?
Oh, thank you. Got into an altercation.
Ow.
The video was from 2008. It's been going on since then. On the footage, Whitney's friends were encouraging her to fight back, but she didn't want to talk about it at all.
I can't believe Amber beat your ass. I know you could beat her ass. We're not gonna talk about that.
The friends were worried about the visible bruises on her face, but she kept evading the topic, claiming that she didn't want to talk about it.
She really did whoop your butt.
Oh, we're not talking about it.
Yeah, I'm done. I guess I'm done talking about it.
Whitney Henriquez never really talked about the stairs incident, but she did say in 2016 that this is complete fiction. Jennifer Howell's statements do not bear any relationship to the truth, and I have no idea why she is saying this. It appears like she is part of Amber's act. Of course she is. They're sisters after all. It's now possible for Whitney to take the stand for this defamation trial after what she's done. The questioning will most likely lean towards the bruises on Amber's face, which she allegedly saw. Whitney is a huge witness in this case. She could either tell the truth and put this case to rest or lie and make it all worse. She already testified in 2020 when Johnny lost the libel action against the Sun. Whitney may be set to take the stand sometime after her sister finishes her own testimony, which may reach the cross-examination phase this upcoming week. Additionally, Jennifer Howell is also on the witness list, and Kate Moss might be called as well since Amber dragged her name into this. We can't wait for that. The public hopes that Whitney gets the courage to step out of that shadow and bring the truth to light to what's really happening behind the camera. If things get right into place, this will be a big game changer. Things will get nasty if it's proven that Amber is lying in court. All her pieces of evidence, her testimonies, her witnesses, they'll be nothing if they think she's lying in the cross-examination. Amber still doesn't realize how serious it is to lie in court. She might be digging her own grave. She already slipped once when she accidentally admitted to hitting Johnny. Maybe it'll happen again during her cross-examination next week. That's all we have for now. Thanks for tuning into this video. See you in the next one.